This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Linda Joachim. What a find! Well-maintained limestone ranch includes 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. The roof was replaced in 2015 and the furnace in 2014. In spring of 2020, Baker Stone examined and tuck pointed the limestone exterior. Both bathrooms were remodeled in 2020, but the vintage look and feel was saved. Also new in 2020, engineered plank flooring throughout, new fans and light fixtures, and fresh interior paint. The oversized 2-car garage offers an abundance of storage and a service door to the backyard. The backyard is fenced. Home is currently rented until July 31, 2021. Occupancy permit expires September 2024. Tenants may wish to move before lease is up. Seller will consider assigning lease to new owner. Limestone fireplace has not been used in the last 19 years.